Hello, welcome to STA 2023 Statistical Methods. I'm your professor, Al Grocha. I just want to send a little message to say welcome to the class. I'll actually be teaching 3 statistics classes back to back this semester on Tuesday and Thursday. Class starts on January 11. I have a 8:30 class, a 10 a.m. class, and 11:30 class. I look forward to meeting all of you. But before class, you may want to check out the Canvas course. I want to give you a little reminder that masks are recommended. We will provide masks on campus. Classroom sizes are half, so there'll only be about 14 students in the class. And we'll be practicing social distancing by sitting separately. But notice here, when you get into the Canvas course, there's the syllabus button. You can start reading through the syllabus, my schedule, my engagement hours, and some Zoom links there, help document. To contact me, you can contact me through Canvas. There's an office phone number, Google phone number. You can text or call, set an appointment. You can see when things are due. We'll go over all of this on the first day of class. Notice when you go to the home page, you have a course schedule button, so you can see what the course will be like. You have your grading scale, so you can see all the points. Notice there's 1,000 points in the class. You can check out how the class is made up as far as points. And then the front page, again, all these are buttons. You can go through the start here, start checking that out, which you'll have the welcome, the meet the instructor, the syllabus, the schedule, the grading sheet, the classroom policies, the student support, technology requirements, optional videos, and then our first 3 assessments, which I'll go over all of this in class. And there's detailed instructions in each, but to get to know each other discussion, the syllabus, and connecting to MyLab. Now, you'll come to class, I'll teach you the material, ask questions, all that wonderful stuff, but in Canvas you have a lot of support. So for example, if you click on, let's say, Chapter 2, which brings you to the Chapter 2 module, you have a Learn section and you have an Assessment section. So in addition to coming to class, you have the outcomes, link to the ebook, you have the class notes, which you can buy at the bookstore, but they're also provided in Canvas. And then you have extra videos. So maybe something wasn't as clear in class. You can watch the Zoom videos, or there's quick videos, or there's full like sitting in classroom videos, all this to be able to help you learn the material. And then there's an assessment section. This is where you'll find the homework, the quiz, the creator problem. So again, you'll link to MyLab as part of the introduction, the orientation module, but then you have the homework and quiz, which is in MyLab. Then your creator problem 2 is in Canvas. And we'll go over everything in class, but just to give you a heads up of how the class is organized. But again, feel free, explore, check out the class. If you have any questions or need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to meeting you on Tuesday.